Good morning, this is Marcus Brown bringing you today's market update. We start with the news that Britain was dealt its first blow in the opening round of Brexit negotiations yesterday, as Brussels representatives refused to engage in dual talks, stating that divorce terms must be agreed before a trade deal can be discussed. Brexit Secretary David Davis had previously highlighted that you can't discuss one without the other, and stated that the issue would become the row of the summer. However, in a U-turn, Davis was forced to concede that trade discussions would not take place until after a separation agreement was reached. Chief EU negotiator Michel Barnier stated that the UK had decided to leave the EU and not the other way around, yet continued to say that a fair deal is possible and far better than no deal for both parties. In other news, a potential £3.8 billion merger between Standard Life and Aberdeen Asset Management took a step closer yesterday, as shareholders voted in favour of a deal. 98.6% of votes were in favour of a merger for Standard Life, whilst Aberdeen saw 95.8% of its votes approve an agreement. Standard Life saw its share price jump 2.39%, whilst Aberdeen's value climbed 5.01%. Yesterday was a good day for UK large cap stocks, as the FTSE 100 grew 0.81% to close at 7,523.81 points. The initial outlook was one of uncertainty as Brexit negotiations started in Brussels. However, a softer tone from both sides and the widely unpublicised discussions meant that investors were not deterred. Glencore was the biggest climber as shares jumped 3.09%, whilst other metal producers such as BHP, Anglo American and Antofagasta all saw gains of more than 1.5%. Sainsbury's was another gainer on the index as it fights to grow its retail market share, with the news of a possible takeover of store chain Nisa contributing to a 2.34% jump. A similar story can be told for US stocks, as the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones Index hit record highs. Investors reacted well to the positive sentiment from the Federal Reserve officials, as the Dow increased by 144 points, whilst the S&P saw a 20-point rise. In upcoming data, 12 o'clock sees US Federal Reserve Stanley Fischer give a speech, and at 10 to 12 in the evening, the Bank of Japan Monetary Policy Meetings data will be revealed. Thank you for listening.